Hello and welcome to English Unleashed. This is the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. Today we're going to talk about something that will change your English forever. No, it's not just about learning new vocabulary or practicing speaking. It's about a powerful shift in your learning, thinking in English. Most of us translate in our mind from our native language into English. We think in Spanish, then say it in English. But this way of learning has three big problems. First, translation takes time. You have to think about the meaning, find the right word or phrase, and then put it in English. This slows you down when you speak. Second, it makes speaking feel like a chore. You're always working hard to find the right words, and that takes the joy out of speaking. Third, you might make mistakes when you translate. Maybe you forget a word or you don't know the right grammar rule. And this can make you feel less confident when you speak. So the real question is, how do you stop translating and start thinking in English? Let's discover step by step. But before we begin, if you want to improve your English fast and learn English step by step like this, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you love to receive tips to improve your English, and now let's get started. Step 1. Start with small daily thoughts. If you want to start thinking in English, don't try to think in big, long sentences right away. Instead, begin with short and simple thoughts. Think of basic phrases that you use every day in your native language and try to remember them in English. For example, you could start with these: I am hungry, the sky is blue, I need water. These small thoughts train your brain to connect directly to English words without having to translate. They help you build a foundation for thinking in English because they are easy to remember and repeat. By focusing on simple thoughts, you can make the process of learning to think in English more effective and less overwhelming. So take your time, start with small daily thoughts, and gradually build up from there. Step 2. Narrate your actions. One way to start thinking in English is to narrate your actions. When you're doing something, try to say it out loud in English. For example, while brushing your teeth, you can say, I am brushing my teeth. While walking to the bus, I am walking to the bus. While opening the door, I am opening the door. At first, this may feel strange and difficult, but over time it will become more natural. This exercise helps you to connect your actions with English words. It also trains your brain to think in English and to link your thoughts with the English language. So try it out and see how it works for you. Step 3. Whisper out loud. Another helpful tip to start thinking in English is to whisper out loud. You don't have to speak loudly, just whisper to yourself in English. This is an excellent method for practicing your pronunciation and listening skills. Whispering also helps you to relax and be more natural when speaking. For example, while reading an article in English, try whispering the words to yourself. Or while looking at a photo, try describing it out loud in a whisper. This exercise helps you to focus on the sound of the English language and to practice your speaking skills. It also trains your brain to think in English and to link your thoughts with the English language. So give it a try and see how it can help you to improve your English skills. Step 4. Create mental dialogues. Creating mental dialogues is an effective way to train your brain to think in English. This involves imagining a conversation in English and practicing it in your mind. For example, you can imagine a dialogue with a friend or a family member and practice it in your mind. You can ask yourself questions in English and then answer them. This exercise helps you to practice your speaking and listening skills. It also trains your brain to think in English and to link your thoughts with the English language. Here's how to do it. Ask yourself a question in English. Then answer the question in English. What will I eat today? I will eat rice and vegetables. You can also practice answering questions in different situations, such as at work or in a social setting. This exercise can help you to improve your fluency in English and to feel more confident in your ability to speak the language. Step 5. Don't worry about mistakes. The final step to start thinking in English is to not worry about mistakes. It's normal to make mistakes when learning a new language, so don't be afraid to experiment and make those mistakes. The important thing is to keep practicing and improving. You can also use technology to your advantage. There are many apps and websites that offer exercises and games to help you practice thinking in English. So don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep practicing. Thinking in English is not about being grammatically perfect. It's about training your brain to stop translating. The more you practice, the faster and more natural your speech will become. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Keep practicing and use technology to your advantage. If you want to learn English step by step, I invite you to continue your learning journey with us. You can watch more videos or listen to podcasts. We have materials for all levels and interests. Also, if you want me to guide you personally in your English learning journey, visit our website and book a free discovery call. During this call, we'll discuss your goals, interests, and learning style so that we can create a plan that works best for you. Our experienced teachers are passionate about helping learners achieve their language goals. With our support, you'll be able to make steady progress and reach your desired level of fluency. Now I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on thinking in English? Do you think it's helpful to start thinking in English to improve your fluency? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this advice useful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We release new lessons each week to help you improve your English. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.